Are you looking to save time and work smarter on your Windows PC? In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 amazing Windows features that can boost your productivity and make your daily tasks a whole lot easier. Need tech help from a friend or family member but can't meet them in person? Windows has a built-in tool called Quick Assist that lets you get or give help remotely. Instead of trying to explain a problem over the phone call or video chat, you can invite someone to see your screen, take control of your computer and fix the issue directly. It's simple to use and you don't need any extra software. The easiest way to open Quick Assist is by pressing Windows plus Control plus Q on your keyboard. In File Explorer, searching through several folders to find an important file can be annoying, especially when you are in a hurry. Luckily, you can add your most used files to the Favorite section in File Explorer for easy access. To do this, just right-click on any file and select Add to Favorites. After that, your favorite files will be one click away, ready when you need them. Next is Voice Typing Tool. If typing long emails or document feels like too much work, you should try the voice typing tool. By pressing Windows plus H, you can speak and have your words turned into text in any text box. It's especially useful if your hands are busy or if you just want to save some time. Want to quickly insert emojis? Press Windows plus dot, the Windows key and the period key to open the Emoji Picker. Here you'll find everything from smiley faces to text-based emojis and even special symbols. The simple tool saves your time searching for emojis and adds some fun to your messages. If you often find yourself wondering what's taking up so much space on your Windows PC, Storage Sense is here to help. Manually tearing out large files and finding space hogs can be hassle, especially if you are dealing with a lot of data. Storage Sense makes this easier by automatically cleaning up unnecessary temporary files. It clears your recycle bin, manages old downloads, and even removes local cloud files from OneDrive. You can set Storage Sense to run automatically at regular intervals or customize it to clean up based on your needs. So that's it. Give them a try and let me know in the comments which one you found the most useful. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.